always recommend, first of all in Chaturanga, coming to the high plank. So you're up in the high plank, then even lean forward slightly, round this part of the back by squeezing the elbows apart. So you're trying to roll your elbows inwards to grip yourself across your body here. Now tuck the tailbone and envisage you're pushing back your heels, trying to track the shoulder over the tip of the finger. Now slowly lower down, trying to keep the elbow in line with the rib and hold yourself here. So you see when the shoulder blades start to come together, try and widen it. Shoulder just comes into the level of the elbow and looking forward. Now try and tuck your tailbone and push your legs back. So it's Chaturanga, means four-legged position. Using your legs at least 50-60% will help you. Keeping the shoulder in line with the elbow and trying to squeeze the elbows apart to try and hold yourself more here. Try not to drop down, looking forward. If you can't do this and you're shaky a bit now, bend your legs, come on your knees and then hold it there. And that would be a modification first of all, so you're not sinking the shoulder lower than the elbow and jeopardizing the shoulder.